Good day and welcome. I'll be answering JAMB 2012 Mathematics Past Question 14. The chemical used to soften hard water involves the addition of A. Insoluble sodium compound which forms soluble solution of calcium and magnesium. B. Soluble sodium compounds which form soluble solutions of calcium and magnesium ions. C. Soluble sodium compounds which form insoluble precipitates of calcium and magnesium ions. D. Insoluble precipitates of calcium and magnesium ions. Now looking at this, when we have a hard water now is divided into two. We have the temporary hard water and the permanent hard water. But the hard water that is being looking into play that we're looking at here now is the permanent hard water, because temporary hard water can actually be removed by boiling. But since we are actually looking at the permanent hard water, now permanent hard water actually consists of the ions of soluble ions of calcium, like calcium sulfates, and also soluble ions of magnesium, like magnesium sulfate. Now in order to remove this hard water, we have to put in chemicals. We have to put in chemicals that enable us remove this, turn these soluble compounds into insoluble compounds. Now the chemical that can be used is actually soluble sodium compound, like the sodium triazocarbonate 4, Na2CO3. Now when you put this soluble compound in a hard water containing calcium sulfate, which is soluble, it will give us an insoluble calcium triazocarbonate 4 plus sodium sulfate. Now this calcium triazocarbonate 4 here is insoluble in the water, thereby precipitating this ion. So the removal of the hard water, or the softening of hard water, involves the use of soluble sodium compound like sodium triazocarbonate 4, which forms insoluble precipitates of calcium and magnesium ion. So the answer to this question is actually option C. Thank you, and ensure to subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions.